To change keyboard theme on OPPO Reno 15, first we need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down and search for System and Update. Now in here we're gonna go to Input Method, and then you want to go to Manage Keyboards and open the Gboard, because this is the standard keyboard that we use on this phone. Now we can find the theme option, and in here you can find a bunch of different themes that you can use on your phone, so you can choose whichever theme you wish to use. You can also toggle key borders just like that, and you can use the apply button. You can also use this plus button at the top in order to create your own theme, so you can choose an image from your gallery, you can adjust it, move it up and down a little bit, and then that image will be used as a background for your keyboard. And we can tap on done in order to save the theme. You can also use key borders, of course, and then you can apply the theme for your keyboard. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.